Today, I'm going to show you how to create a purchase order on Shopify. This is essential for managing your inventory efficiently and keeping track of products you're ordering from suppliers. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has the necessary permissions to create and manage purchase orders, as this feature is typically available to store owners and staff with inventory management access. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Take a look at the left sidebar where you'll find your main navigation menu. Click on Products. This section is where you manage all aspects of your store's inventory, from individual product listings to bulk operations like purchase orders. Under the Products menu, you'll see several options appear. Look for Purchase Orders and click on it. This is Shopify's dedicated area for managing orders you place with your suppliers, helping you track incoming inventory and maintain accurate stock levels. Now you'll see an overview of your existing purchase orders if you have any. To create a new one, click on Create Purchase Order. This will open up a form where you can specify all the details of your order. The first field you'll encounter is Supplier. Click on this drop-down menu to select a supplier if you've already added one to your system. If you haven't set up suppliers yet, you'll need to do that first or create one on the fly. Next, move to the Destination field. This is where you specify which location will receive these products. For example, you might select Shop a location if that's where you want the inventory to arrive. Now let's handle the payment terms. Click on the Payment Terms drop-down and choose from options like Cash on Delivery, Payment on Receipt, or Payment in Advance. This helps you and your supplier stay aligned on when payment is expected. Right below that, you'll see Supplier Currency. Click this drop-down to select the currency you'll be using for this transaction, which is especially important if you're working with international suppliers. Next, input an estimated arrival date. This helps you plan your inventory and gives you a timeline for when to expect the products. Then, in the Shipping Carrier field, type in the name of the carrier handling the shipment, for example, 4PX. Below that, input the tracking number if you have it. If you don't have it yet, you can always add it later. Now it's time to add the actual products to your purchase order. Look for the Add Products section and click Browse. This will open a product selector showing all the items in your store. Find the product you want to order and click on it, then click Add. The product will now appear in your purchase order. For each product you've added, you'll need to input some key information. First, type in the quantity you're ordering from your supplier, then input the cost per unit that you're paying. If there's tax involved, you can add that as well. These details are crucial for accurate inventory valuation and cost tracking. Scroll down to the Additional Details section. Here you can input a reference number if your supplier requires one or if you want to use an internal tracking system. There's also a Note to Supplier field where you can add any special instructions or important information related to this order. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save as Draft at the top of the page. This saves your purchase order without finalizing it, giving you the chance to review everything or make changes later if needed. When you're ready to confirm the order and officially send it to your supplier, click Mark as Ordered at the top. This updates the status and moves the purchase order into your active tracking system. And that's it. You've successfully created and submitted a purchase order on Shopify, keeping your inventory management organized and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.